Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I do believe we have another special Amazon unboxing. Either or, my affiliate link will be down below in the description, and or their website link will be down below, which will be safe links to click and see what goodies they have to offer besides this one. It has some weight to it. We shall see what's inside. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We're getting hit now finally, but not much. Oh, it went away. See? Kinda. But it's cold outside, so I like to hibernate during this time. It is not fun. I hate dressing up. Just dress warm. I don't understand, but oh well. Let's see what's inside this thing. All the way from China. So, we shall see. What are you? Oh, baby. Alright. Another thermal paper. Nice, nice. Phomemo thermal paper. Okay. What is this? Phomemo thermal printing, mobile office, print word, contract agreement. So basically, it's like a mini printer. Should be interesting. It looks interesting. I got the big old office one. I forgot what it's called. Epson. And we got this little guy. Phomemo. Oh, there goes that. Alright. This is interesting. See, I like stuff like this. You know? And it comes with extra thermal paper also. Bonus. Gotta love them bonuses. And it looks like in here we have travel pouch. Take this with you on the road. Got the USB. Oh man, you could do a lot for your social media or your business, small business, online entrepreneurship. Look at this thing. Hold for 3. The side should be faced up. Push. Push. Alright. Okay, that's where you load the paper in. See that slot right here? That's where you shove the paper. It locks in. Phomemo. Alright, I'm going to have to grab my other phone. Because it does, phone, tablet, you name it. Got the USB. Cable? No, this adapter. I think all you need. This is wireless. Because USB plugging in is right here. I don't see no printer cable. So that means wireless. Which is a good thing. Less wires better. I need to clean up my wires in my other room. Oops. Did a little rip. It's alright though. Oh boy. You could use Google Play, Apple, or App Store. Italiano. English. What is English? Okay, here it is. Top one. Printer. Data cable. I guess this is data cable. Yeah, that's the data cable. Number 3 is the final bag. Quick start. Doesn't say nothing about the USB, but maybe that's a bonus gift. So that's really cool. I like these kind of USB sticks. Really nice thumb drives. Thumb drives, USB, whatever you want to call it. Okay, indicator light guide, Lit is going to be red, out of paper, cover is open, overheat. Blinking red, low power. Lit green, normal. Blinking green, charging. Okay, that's easy. Turn on the printer. Oh, of course I had to cut that part. Around 3 seconds until the power indicator light turns on. So you want to hold this one. I'm going to give it my phone and stuff. Then I'll turn it on for you guys. But right here, you can hear it clicking. You got to hold that for 3 seconds. Excuse me. This weather got me kind of going right now, so bear with me. Install the app, download the app, search for Phomemo. Okay, print side down, feed direction power. It's just amazing how printers came a long way. I mean, I like the small ones. I'm just curious to see how I don't know if we could do imaging. But I know you could do like invoices and whatnot. Print them. Oh, there it is. Mac Windows. Matthew 1. What does it show in English? Oh, here it is. How to download and install the driver. Use the USB pen drive, including in the package, to obtain the latest driver. Download the relevant driver according to your operating system. So if you have a Mac, plug it into your Mac. If you have a Windows, just plug it in and select Mac or Windows. I'll show you guys in a minute how to do it. It'll be fun times coming up. And here we go. We have my tablet. Just got it connect. We're gonna turn it on, load it up. We're gonna load it up and give it a test print. So push. See, that's what the thermal ink looks like. Just gotta remove it from here. It should be good for a few prints. And then, here we go. I need to get one of those bird's eye view tripods. Let's load it in. It shows this side up. See, this face up. Make sure you line it up. There we go. See, now it's nice and nice. Hopefully we don't need to charge it. Turn this thing on. Here we go. Connecting. Oh, there we go. Pops up right away. Connect now. Oh. Click the button to connect the device. Click the button. Oh, might take a second. Hold on. And this will pop up. Pair. It is now pairing. We are connected. You can do document, print from web, print images. I don't think I have any. I got this one. And then done. Light, thickness, heavy, dedicated. So you got different options right there. And it's got to hit that one. And that's a picture of my driveway at night. So we shall see. And the cord is pretty long too. And like I said, it's cool. You get extra paper and print. Whoa. Maybe I'm supposed to do one at a time. It's coming out. But, you know, it will work. No problems. Pretty quick too. So definitely a cool item to get someone that likes the tech. And they're... Oh, look at that. You know, if you did have like a color picture and stuff like that, it'll look a lot better. But you can see the name, and it's going to take a few seconds to dry up. So that is pretty nifty. You can do pretty much anything, I guess, now with this. Print labels. Print from the web. So you can go from your Instagram, your Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, anything you guys use. Document print. Okay. Switch that all around. So yeah, you could scan. Whoa. So it's like a portable scanner too. Like, take the picture with your tablet or your phone or your PC. Bada boom, bada bing. This is dope. I'm liking this. Super portable, super lightweight. Look at that. You don't need a USB. Wireless free. See, that's kind of running low. I'm going to shut this thing off. There you go. Look at that. Alright guys, check them out. Phomemo. Phomemo. Yeah, see that? It looks a lot better now. Alright guys, you guys be safe. Happy holidays. Hopefully I'll see you beforehand. If not, Merry Christmas to all. And Happy New Year. See you guys soon.